In this video, we are thrilled to present a captivating tour of a wonderful courtyard villa sitting on a hilltop, skillfully crafted from 6 shipping containers with country tile pitched roof. Welcome back. This architectural marvel was brought to life by the creative minds at Studio Alternatives in Mulshi, Pune District. This affordable house is built using 6 20-foot shipping containers stitched together in pairs to form 3 blocks. The blocks are arranged in a C-shaped layout with a central open courtyard, creating a modern container home. An old refurbished door serves as the main entry, flanked by 6 smaller ones acting as window shutters. From the entrance, you step into the heart of these oases, the central courtyard bathed in sunlight, providing the perfect setting for cozy afternoons and warm evenings. Beyond the living area lies a simple dining space extending outside the kitchen window into the courtyard. A fully equipped modular kitchen nestled within one of the shipping containers basks in natural light, boasting gorgeous countertops and ample storage. The home has got 2 spacious bedrooms of 320 square feet each, formed by joining 2 20-foot containers. The master bedroom is a quiet sanctuary with a writer's corner and lounge area, complemented by a well-appointed washroom lobby fitted with a wardrobe and dressing table. From the lobby is a bathroom fitted with a shower cubicle, a toilet, a wash hand basin, and a big bathroom mirror. The second bedroom is equally spacious, featuring a cozy sitting area, a large glass window for abundant natural lighting. The maid's room and utilities find their place in the remaining 160 square feet container, completing the perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics. The shipping container structure is left exposed on the indoors, celebrating the original charm of shipping containers, emphasizing on the industrial charm of the house. The house flaunts the industrial charm of green-painted exterior walls. The entire structure stands proud under a pitched roof, adorned with rustic country tiles, seamlessly marrying tradition with modern design in the world of container architecture. And there you have it, our exclusive tour of this remarkable courtyard villa on a hilltop. If you are as inspired as we are, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more design videos. Until next time, keep dreaming, stay inspired, and we'll catch you in the next video.